Copley Library provides access to over 200 databases available to help students' research across many disciplines. The librarians at Copley Library have created a comprehensive list of these databases. You can access this list in two ways. The first way, you can go to the library webpage at sandiego.edu/library. Underneath the search bar, click on Databases A to Z. The second way is if you're already in the online catalog, you can click on Copley Databases in the banner above the search bar. Once you have been redirected to the new page, you can search for the database you need by its title. If you don't know where to start, you can filter the list by the subject you want to dive into. Let's say I needed to watch some documentaries for a film class. I would select the subject Film Studies to filter my search. In the description, it looks like Canopy is a good database for me to utilize for viewing documentaries. There are over 200 databases, and it can get overwhelming trying to learn which one is the best to utilize. Luckily, Copley has a librarian for each subject area that you can reach out to for assistance. Just look for the Subject Resources box after filtering your search. And that is how you access the databases that Copley Library has made available to you.